Hi guys, welcome back to the Kernel. Today we're making the perfect fall soup, coconut butternut squash soup. This soup base is vegan, but you can also add in your favorite kind of protein at the end if you wish. To make this recipe, you'll need butternut squash, coconut milk, onion, garlic, mushrooms, cumin, salt, pepper, and veggie Maggi or any other kind of vegetarian bouillon. I also like to add thyme and sage to mine, but you can leave these out or add in any other of your preferred spices. Get started by peeling and chopping up a butternut squash. I chopped up 4 because I'm meal prepping, but if you're just making this for one meal, I would recommend using about 1. Next, chop up your onion. I used 1.5 because again, I'm meal prepping, but you can adjust the taste of the onion to your preferences. Next, add your onions to the stove over medium heat with some olive oil. Start sauteing your onions until they begin to get nice and brown, making sure that they don't burn. Start to season your soup base by adding salt. Add in your black pepper, garlic, sage and thyme if you're using them, cumin, and your Maggi seasoning. Let me know in the comments section if you've ever heard of this seasoning and if you call it Maggi or Maggi. Next, add in your coconut milk and bring it to a low boil. You can adjust your seasonings here as needed. Once your coconut milk is boiling, go ahead and add in your butternut squash cubes. Cover them and let them cook until softened. At the very end of cooking your butternut squash, feel free to add in some sliced mushrooms for some extra texture and flavor. Cook these for just a few moments until tender. This soup is surprisingly filling. You can eat it as is or feel free to top it with your favorite protein like salmon, chicken, pork, or sausage. You can see here how rich and creamy the broth looks. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions about this recipe, and as always, please like and subscribe for more recipes in the future. Thanks for watching the Kernel.